Welcome to our video of the week, guys. We're doing solving radical expressions notes. So all those little radical expressions we've been playing with the last few weeks, we're going to start solving them. So for example, if you start with square root of x equals 9. All right. So in this case, what do? How do I solve this thing? Well, once you have a square root on by itself on one side equal sign and a number or something else on the other, what you want to do is take that value, square both sides. Because remember, if you square both sides, now we get squares cancel the square root. So x, then 9 times 9 gives 81. And there's your answer. You're done. There we go. All right, let's try something with a little more pieces to it. Square root of p plus 10 equals 11. All right, we can't square yet because we need to get the square root all by itself on one side. So we subtract 10 to both sides, move across the equal sign. So that cancels out. So we have square root of p equal to 1. So now we can square both sides. So the square will cancel the square root. And 1 squared is 1 times 1. It's 1. There's your answer. All right. Good. All right. How about minus 9 times square root of x minus 7 equals minus 27. All right. A little more pieces involved. So before you can square, we need to get rid of that square. We need that square to be by itself on one side. So we're going to divide both sides by -9. So it cancels over there. So that x minus 7 equals 27 divided by 9 gives us positive 3 because they're both negative. So it cancels. Now we got square root all by itself. So we can square both sides. Square comes square root. X minus 7 equals 3 times 3 is 9. Now to actually solve it, we have to add 7 to both sides. So x equals 9 plus 7 is 16. All right, they're good. Next example for us, what if we got n over 9 equals 2? That's okay. Still going to approach it the same way. We got the square root by itself on one side of the equal sign. So you're going to square both sides. Square cancels square root. Now I have n over 9 equals 2 squared is 2 times 2 is 4. Now to get that, to move the 9 across, currently it's dividing, so you need to multiply both sides by 9. So 9's cancel over there. So n equals 4 times 9 just gives us good old 36. There's your answer. All right. Let's try one more. How about -8 and square root of 49a equals minus 56. All right, same idea. You need to move the sign across. So it's going to be dividing both sides by -8. So it cancels over there. And so we got square root of 49a equals 56 divided by 8 is 7. And now we've got the square root by itself on this side. We can square both sides. Square cancel out. 49a equals 7 squared is 7 times 7 is 49. And then last little thing, divide both sides by 49. Cancels there, so a equals 1. There we go, guys. Good job. Let me know if you have any questions. We're almost there. You got this.